Good afternoon, my Lipshins, and welcome to the news. In the headlines this week, a lot of releases at Computex. We have a bunch of new Asus stuff, including 2 new GPUs, one of them without power. It's being powered completely from the motherboard. We have a new Deepcool LT820. We have some MSI Project Zero information. We have some new Phanteks stuff. And Nvidia AI comes in with a splash in Unreal 5. Starting off with Uncle Asus, we have a brand new graphics card. The 4070 is going to be completely powered from the motherboard. It's got rear RO on the TUF. It has a secondary slot behind the GPU, which then provides the extra power. So you don't need any cables or connections coming into the front of the graphics card, which is going to neaten up the look. I think we'll agree considerably. So that is going to give probably the best and cleanest look we've ever seen from Asus today. Then we have the new Rog Matrix 4090, which looks absolutely mental. Matrix cards are pretty much the best of the best. This features a 360mm radiator as well. All these images courtesy of Tech Power Up. Thank you, Uncle Power Up. In a similar vein, we have MSI's Project Zero, which has all of the I/O out the back, and I'm honestly really liking this maneuver for a number of reasons. Obviously, the neatness is very appealing to my OCD and scratches that itch in just the right way. But as far as tech support goes, it's just going to be easier to find the I/O because it's all at the back of the motherboard, and it stands out, I think you'll agree, considerably more in that sort of positioning. Then in Deepcool news, something that will probably be coming to the Evetech store, which I actually cannot wait to use, is a 480mm rad. Basically, it's what you're seeing on your screen on the LT820 is three 140mm fans stacked on top of each other like that. So we had two 80s before, now it's being extended even further. Wait, was that correct? Is this 420? It's 420. It's 420 mils. Yeah, I just did the quick math. 3 times 140 is 420. So yeah, nice. Then from Phanteks, we had a reveal of their new cooling products, which are also going to be coming to the Evetech store. They are starting to list Phanteks and Fractal over on Evetech as well, and they look absolutely spectacular. Their D30 series is going to be a completely cable-free daisy chain system as well. So they're following on suit with the Lee. You're going to have one cable out, and if you just look at the AROs and stuff they have on the table, it is looking absolutely spectacular. I've got to say, the way that they've done the ring of the LED and stuff is probably some of the best I've seen, and this is just on camera. In person, these are probably going to pop in ways that we can't quite appreciate. Then in gaming news, Nvidia's done something absolutely mental. The Unreal 5 engine they've enhanced now with a Conv AI. Yeah, you'll see the name on the screen. But the result of this is completely fluid environments that are going to have characters and NPCs that you can have legitimate conversations with. No longer will you be refined to the default responses and then putting it into Unreal 5 engine, which we know is like going as close to photorealistic as humanly possible, is going to make environments like Cyberpunk, for instance, look like a kiddie's playpen. And finally, in some cool retro gaming news, there's a brand new System Shock coming out. Everything all shiny and new, the same gameplay experience and environment, and the very creepy AI that was after you there is going to be after you again, but just with significantly better visuals and probably a lot less clunky gameplay, considering that this game first launched in 1994. Yeah, things may have changed slightly now into 2023. And that, my friends, is all I have for you in the news. We will be continuing with the normal content throughout the week. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, keep well, and I will see you on the flip side.